All right, so this is me preparing my first recording setup. You excited, buddy?
Huh?
I'll go ahead and put this over here. Don't look at my butt, people. I have a wife. This thing is gonna be all the way down here. My medicine, can't live without it, literally. Let's see, I'm gonna take this to the kitchen. I'm gonna take you guys with me, not visually though. Here we go, turning left on the hallway. Andres is excited. I'm opening a cabinet. This just in, the cabinet has been opened. The medicine has now been stored. Making my way to the room. These are the headphones that I'm currently using. Recommended. That's for sleeping on besito. Look at him. He's in love with the camera. Isn't that cute? I'll take this out later. And we have everything we need to start recording. Isn't that exciting? Isn't that amazing?